Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy KBGE, and today we will be unboxing the iPollo G1 Mini. This miner is quiet compared to other miners, and it's about as loud as your normal house fan. It features a cool iPollo, as you can see here. It has the hash rate of 1.2 G. The iPollo G1 Mini mines Greencoin as well as Mimwimble. At the time of this recording, Greencoin is 6 cents and Mimwimble is $1.38. The iPollo G1 Mini is the perfect miner to get your feet wet and learn the ropes. The iPollo G1 Mini is also a home miner, not requiring additional electric setup considering your outlet's output is 110/120 watts, which makes it all the more convenient to run.